Have you been waiting for that one update that finally makes your Apple TV 4K perfect? Well, the wait is officially over. Apple just dropped the highly anticipated stable version of tvOS 26.4, and it completely changes the home theater experience. If you've been nervously holding off on updating your system, the time has come to grab your remote and hit that download button. Ian here with another deep dive tech breakdown. And today we are looking at the hidden fixes, massive audio upgrades, and interface changes that make this update an absolute must-have. Whether you are kicking back right here in Balwalpur after an afternoon flying your Avata drone, or just setting up for a weekend movie marathon, tvOS 26.4 is going to completely upgrade how your living room feels. Let's get straight into the biggest changes. The very first massive difference you will notice immediately after your system reboots is actually what is missing from your screen. For years, the standalone iTunes Movies and iTunes TV Shows apps have been cluttering up our home screens. They were ghosts of the past, and most of us just hid them in a junk folder anyway. Well, Apple has finally pulled the plug. Those redundant apps are completely gone from the operating system, forcing the interface to be organized and incredibly clean. Don't panic, though. Every single piece of content you purchased over the years is completely safe. It has all been relocated to the main Apple TV app. Apple wants a unified, single destination for your entertainment, and removing these old icons makes the whole interface look incredibly premium and fast. You will spend way less time navigating and more time actually watching. Now, let's dive into the absolute best feature of this update, especially if you care about high-quality sound, continuous audio connection. If you have a high-end Dolby Atmos soundbar or a dedicated audio receiver, this is exactly what you have been begging Apple for. Found deep in your video and audio settings, this new toggle fixes that highly annoying audio delay when you start playing a video. Usually, your audio hardware has to do a digital handshake with the Apple TV to figure out the format, causing a frustrating second of silence, a black screen, or even a scary popping noise from your speakers. Continuous audio connection completely eliminates this. It creates a permanent, invisible stream of Dolby data, an Adobe MAT container, that never stops flowing to your speakers. Your soundbar never has to restart or guess what is happening, meaning there is zero waiting for the sound to catch up. It relies completely on HDMI and Atmos to function, making jumping between a YouTube tech review and a blockbuster movie on Netflix perfectly seamless. But Apple didn't stop at just fixing your audio delays. They tackled the absolute worst part of modern movie nights, scrolling endlessly because you can't find anything good to watch. Inside the main Apple TV app, you will now find Genius Browse. This is an incredibly smart recommendation engine that analyzes your watch history and actively attempts to calculate your current mood. Instead of throwing boring, generic genres at you like action or comedy, it uses descriptive human categories like white-knuckle adventure or late-night laughs. It sweeps through all your connected streaming apps to build a flawless, one-stop shop for personalized recommendations. The best part is that it is totally dynamic. Depending on the time of day or new releases, it constantly updates itself to break you out of your viewing rut and serve up hidden gems. Finally, Apple has completely overhauled the subtitle system, making it more accessible and customizable than ever before. You no longer have to pause your movie, exit the app, and dig through the main system menus just to change how your text looks. With tvOS 26.4, you pull up the Quick Options menu right inside the active video player and swap visual styles on the fly. They added fantastic new presets, like a crisp outline version that violently pops on bright snowy backgrounds without needing a massive black box, and a transparent version for cinema purists. If you want total control, the new Manage Style section lets you build a subtitle profile completely from scratch. You can pick the exact font, text size, and background opacity, and even save it as a custom-named profile for different family members in the house. So, at the end of the day, should you upgrade to tvOS 26.4? The answer is a definitive yes. The aggressive removal of the outdated apps makes the system feel incredibly modern. The new subtitle features are deeply inclusive, and the audio handshake is finally totally flawless. Plus, under the hood, Apple has optimized background tasks, so the whole box feels lightning fast again. In my personal opinion, the Apple TV 4K was already the greatest streaming device money could buy, but this continuous audio feature alone easily justifies owning the device. It completely widens the gap between Apple and the rest of the competition. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to keep getting the absolute best in tech tips, make sure you smash that subscribe button right now. Share this video with a friend who owns an Apple TV so they can finally fix their audio settings, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our next big update video. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new and improved home theater.